everyone! Have you ever wanted to build a website for your online store but you just didn't know how? I didn't know how to build a website either until Mike showed me, and now he can show you too.
Hi, my name is Mike, and I'm going to show you how to build your own online website. As you can see here on the screen, I have my own website with a homepage, some new products, and a lot of information. I have an actual shop that I can enter information about each of the products, an about section, and a contact section. Right now, I want to show you how I can do it with a Wix system. So we can start by going to wix.com and then press the sign up button. I'm already a user, so if you're a new user, just press the sign up button and fill in your information and you can make your own account. Here you can see all of my websites, but if you're a new user, you probably want to start at the template page. I will press on create a new site to choose a category for my website. Here you can press one of the categories. I will go to online store. So here you can choose if we will go with the ADI or Wix editor. The ADI is an automatic system that will build your website for you, but I'm going to be working with the templates, so we're going to choose a template. Here you have thousands and thousands of Wix templates that Wix already made for you. You can choose each one of the templates and start working on it. You can choose the pictures and text to make your own website. We're already on the online store category. We're going to head over to page number 2, and I'm going to find the template that I've worked with before for my shoe business. Here we can see the actual template. The template was originally for dog food, so I can press on edit site and the editor will open and we can start working on our site. Okay, so this is what the Wix editor looks like. Before we begin, we just need to understand a few things. We'll go over a few minor elements and then we'll get into it. At the top, we have the Save, Preview, and Publish buttons. The Save button is a lot like working on a Microsoft Word document. Every time you do something, you want to save your document so you don't lose any data, just in case of a power shutdown or something like that. For Preview, you can see what your website will actually look like once it's published. Now back to editor will bring you back to your actual editor. And then when you press publish, the Wix system will create a URL where everyone can access your website from. So let's press on the save button for the first time and we'll give it a name. We'll call this online store shoes. We also have a mobile button. When you finish working on your desktop website, I recommend you go to the mobile editor. It is the same editor in mobile, you just need to make sure everything on your website works on all mobile devices. If you have any problems, you can just go to this editor and change the position of the elements. Here you can see all the pages of your website. If you press on Manage Pages, you can go to each page and change the name. You can duplicate it, hide it, and delete it. You have a lot of settings for each page which you can go over and see what they do. You can add several pages as well. Here is the Edit button. It is the most popular button in the editor. It has all the elements that you need to create your website. You can add text, images, a gallery, vector art, shapes, etc. I recommend you go over each of these elements and see what would work best for your website. Let's try out this vector image for instance. When we add the image, we can change the size, rotate, and even change the settings of the element. We can even easily delete the element from here. These settings work on any elements on your website. For now, let's start working on the website. First, I want to change the pictures. I'll just press on the element and then I will press Change Strip Background. Here I can change color, image, and video. Let's press Image. I have my own personal images, but you can also choose from a collection of free images that Wix provides. This is a free-to-use image bank that I could choose from. Let's search shoes. This image is good and we can use this picture to change our background. Let's say we want to change the text right now. You just need to press on the element and you will have full control to edit to your liking. We're going to change it to Your Legs Deserve the Very Best. Here we can change the title to My Shoes. We're going to remove the dog element around it as well. We're going to head down to the product section to manage what we have there. Press the Manage Product button. It will bring us to the dashboard of the store where you can change the product and collections. You can go into the product itself, and here you can change the images and all the settings for the product. Collections are like a folder. You can put all of your products in there. If we use shoes, for example, a great way to use collections is to have one that is shoes for men and another that is shoes for women. After you finish changing your images and adding new products that are related to your store, you can go to your settings here. Just go over each category and change whichever settings you need for your new online store. You can change your currency, you can change shipping and tax information, and you can add payments. Also, you cannot start selling on your store unless you pay for a Wix premium plan. Don't forget, if you want to have payments on your website, then you'll have to have a premium plan from Wix. Okay, let's close this dashboard. We will continue to change the elements on the website to match our store's theme. I can change this picture and this text. And I could remove this text if I want. I can go to each of the pages in my website and change all the elements just by pressing on them. What I recommend at this point is to go over each page, remove any pages you don't need, and add any new pages that you do need. Once you finish working on your website, press the Save button for one last time, and then publish your site with the Publish button. Here on Publish, it will create a URL for you. You can press on View Site. This is a Wix URL. Once you pay for a premium Wix plan, you can buy your own URL and connect it to your website. I hope you enjoyed this video where we tried to recreate the shoe website we had just for a few minutes. And if I were to add 10 to 15 minutes more, I could get to the same result that I had. And that's it. I hope this information was good for you, and I hope you have a good day.
See how easy that is? If you liked this video and you found it helpful, please like, share, and leave your comments down below. Bye!